Yo, what's up guys? This is Jonathan255 with another video. Today we are doing a family roleplay in GreenVille. So let's get everything started. So I'm assigned to the home. We have the whole crew. So we got everyone here, and here is my grocery colony Mansory edition. So now I'm going to go fill up everything and bro, get the hell out of here. So let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. And what the heck happened to the car? We are not going to ask. So now we are going to the gas station. Next stop. Okay? We are in my beautiful Rolls-Royce colony. Now we are going up. Can this bit go faster? Okay, thank you. Now my hassles. Normally I drive BMW, but today I feel like I want to drive my Rolls-Royce. So let's go. Oh man, this feels good. Enjoying my Rolls-Royce car. So relaxing. So we are going up to the gas station. We're about to fill up this because you can see the gas light is on. Okay, let's go fill up. We got 21. Let's see how much it's going to take. Oh my god, gas prices are crazy. Sour spoiler is only $1 for 1 gallon. So let's go. Okay, we are entering. We are going back to the house. So we are with the crew. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. We are not doing anything crazy, so it's gonna be fine. Okay, let's go. I don't know what the heck happened to the gate, but we're not going to ask that, okay? So we are going up to the house, to the homies. Hey yo, what the Sigma? Hey yo, shit! Bro, get out of the road. Oh my god, it's raining. Okay, let's sit my car. So thanks. Oh my god, can this guy get the hell out of me? Okay, thank you, man. We're going to park up the Rolls-Royce next to the info CS. So the info entry coming up below, guys. But man, that is nice. Parking it. Sorry about that. I got a little sneeze. Oh my god, it's raining hard. It's raining hard today, guys. Oh my god. But it's raining hard today. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay, and it's I think this is tornado coming, so let's go. The news say this tornado coming, so let's go. Okay, this. Oh my God, crazy people these days. Yes, they are. Need to get to the shelter before the tornado starts. Oh my days. Let's go. Oh my God, somebody crashed into the house. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell? Oh my God. He just had the collision there. Bro. Oh my God. Oh. And they're driving a Rolls Royce car. Not the best car to pick. No, bro, chill. Let me open the gate for him so he can go. There he goes. Turn on my blinker. Everyone has this just in case. Trips. Okay. Oh my God. They say go fast, right? Sport mode. Red light. Oh my God, this thing slides in the way. I have to go to stop that, baby. Oh my God. Sorry about that. Let's go. We are arriving at the school. Oh my God. Let's find a place to park. Right here. Let's park right here. Okay, that's good. Turn off my car. Let's go. It's pouring. Oh my God, police cars. Okay, we are in. Okay, even this coming. So let's get inside. We are at school. Now we are going to the gymnastic. So be safe. Let's see safe. Get my camera on. Oh, I think we're minutes. Oh my God, it's bad. Everyone has parked all their cars. So let's go. So let's go to the museums. Get my camera on. Okay. It is museums. Let's go. Okay. Now we just chilling and relaxing into the rains. Who the hell brought that in real infocom? Oh my God. Or just pull his Range away. It's very sick rims. How you got a car in here? Yeah, but that car is nice, bro. BMW entry CS, I think entry or F4. Comment down below, guys. Oh my God, in the comments. But bro driving like me. Chill. Plus, this guy using his car as is this a car show? We're saying no. Look at the police guy in here. Oh my God. Everyone getting their cars in here. I think I should get mine. 11. Damn, this thing's clean. 10 of 10, 9.5 out of 10. Guys, rate my cars in the comments. We got a police car. 2 out of 10. Oh my, what the Sigma? Oh my god. But what the hell, a cat or a what is this? Oh yeah, Hellcat. A 8.5 out of 10. This let me give a 6 out of 10. Good daily, 6-seater too. This thing, I don't know what the hell is this, but it's clean, so 6.5 out of 10. Law. And we got the colors out. Wait, they got the same rims as my Rolls Royce. Look, with the I don't know what they call. Oh my god, almost hit my car, bro. Oh my god, this car is sick. Get the phones out. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's clearly late. Hey Yoshi, this thing is absolutely. I will give this a 1 out of 10. Like I said, next. This guy is actually my friend, so I can sit next to him. Wait, let me go get some popcorn. So let's get go to the cafeteria, get some things. Popcorn. Oh my god. Large, fresh popcorn. I got the big. Delicious. Yeah, me too, man. That's oh my god. That's good. Oh my god. I think this guy is the smallest. I'm 6. Look at the cop car, man. I need the rent stuff. A 5 out of 10. So let's get out. Let's try to get our cars out because I don't know how on earth we get it in. Sorry. Oh my. Gosh. I think I'm stuck on something. Okay, let's. Oh my god, I think we cannot. So we have to despawn our car, get out by foot, and then we spawn it in. We are heading to the house. Oh my god. It's been a minute, so let's spawn it in right here. The man sorry was calling in. I feel I have to get some chips. So let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god. Yeah, that thing is destroyed. You can get in my car. You can get in my car. I think this is not stone can't be anything. Oh my god! Oh my god! Somebody just drive into me. Out of 10, man, this thing's clean. Oh my god, I think he's stuck. Yeah, wow, 6. He got his car. And the thing's nice. Got all the car. Let me see, I can actually move. Turn on the engine, and this is clean. I actually own this thing, but it's in a black and gold custom rims. Yeah. Not a little lot. But this is literally lifted, and the suspension is lifted. Oh my god, we're almost hit this. Okay, I think there's gonna be another storm coming, so I don't know. So I think there's a little problem. Give me press it full. So let's go. Okay. I love this because the Vita is actually moved so good. Yes, come to right again. So this thing actually is a best. Oh my god. I think he's done. So open for him. Oh. And on my head. Oh my god, he's stuck. Wait. Oh my god. Get in my car. Get in my car fast. Get in my car fast. He's in. Let's go. nice. New York. Just park it right here. Let's go. Sprint. Oh my god. Some cars. They go get the popcorn. What the heck? Cause oh my gosh. 10 out of 10, man. This thing's clean. You see you cleaning. Let me see. Nice car. Wait, 15 out of 10. Yeah, 15 out of 10. I don't like this. The rears. It's okay, it's a Lambo, it's an Italian car. Very nice. I was trying to stop bro's car. I was trying to stop bro's car. And it's funny. Cause not the Lambo. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Lambo's gone. Oh my bro's truck is in the road. So it's a 10 out of 10 for that. I forgot to rate. 10 out of 10. It's clean. It's a clean car. Look at the F. I think it's F 450. Bro, nothing's no problem. It's a manual too. It's a scale. Oh my. Bro, cause the back in the hole. Was trying because the wheel of the car. Okay. Cause this is like a car show. 10 out of 10 for this thing. But okay. That was confusing. Dancing trucks. Dancing trucks, man. Look at the dancing trucks. Who this? I say. I'm in. I'm not in. Okay, I think it's over, so let's go home. Let's go. Oh, it's still raining a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, it's clearing up. So let's go home and chilling. Oh, that thing's rabbit. Oh, so let's go home. Let's go home. This is thank you to this guy. No, wrong guy. Sorry, this guy. Real life good. 45. Wasn't him. This session. This man gonna be out. This video is not gonna be happening. So sick. So thank you to him, and I think he's making a video at the same thing. Now if you want to bring more, and by the way guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys stay tuned for another, because this is my first ever RP video since 2024. I never do ARP, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.